Pepe holders, welcome back. Let's talk about it. I want to get into two on-chain metrics that could rise Pepe's price a 2x right now, and I want to share with you guys what's going on within those metrics, as well as give you guys my thoughts. We'll also take a look at the charts as well. We do talk Pepe every single day, so if you did find this channel, awesome. Hopefully you guys all come here for your Pepe Coin news and information on the daily. We do talk Pepe pretty much every single day. I am a holder of Pepe, and it's something that I do feel very bullish on for 2025. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it, and make sure you guys all hit that like button, subscribe down below, and be sure to leave me a comment, okay? And let's get down into it, okay? The best way to start off a Pepe video or any crypto video is we're going to look into the chart. And right now, another green day. All right, so continuing the momentum that we had yesterday, that's kind of what we want to see. A little bit of a rebound, if you will. And Pepe right now 24th in market cap, trading hands at 401803. They've had a little bit of a sideways move, up 4.5% on the day, though. We'll take it. That's something where we look into Pepe. Can we get back above the 402? Well, this article that I'm going to get into talking about these two on-chain metrics are suggesting that Pepe would double, and that would leave us at a price tag roughly around the 4036 range. And let's also celebrate the fact that Pepe has seen a 1200 plus percent rise in the last 365 days. And let's talk about what's going on, okay? But before I get down into the metrics, if you guys are looking for a new exchange, I do partner with CoinW. This is an exchange that if you guys aren't using, it's something you want to check out, because not only are they a top exchange, they offer spot trading, futures trading. Also, within kind of CoinW, what you can do is you can take advantage of their airdrop right now, where you do get $50 in Pepe kind of airdrop just for registering, signing up and depositing in this account. Also, you do have access to my free private trading community on Telegram. There's a 4-step verification process. A lot of you guys did sign up, but what you did not do is complete that verification process, where that will take you over to another Telegram channel that you will have access to the professional traders within CoinW, giving you daily insight, alpha, swing trades, long shorts, all that good stuff every single day. So take advantage of that. A couple free perks to starting with CoinW. The biggest thing, though, is make sure it's right for you and where you're located. Understand their terms and conditions and run it through your due diligence. But if you want to start trading spot and futures with CoinW, links down below if it's right for you. Okay, so let's get back into this. This is kind of the metrics that we want to talk about. All right. We have falling exchange volume, and the MV-RV indicator and the TD sequential have also turned bullish. Now, those all coupled together have resulted into the narrative where the price rebound is in store for Pepe. And this is kind of where you see Bitcoin fell below 95,000, and the meme coins, altcoins, all kind of saw a similar retreat, racing over $3 billion in value. Okay. Right now, guys, I'll tell you, and you can look at the kind of the fear and greed index on CoinMarketCap. You can really just look into the traders and holders, investors, and really feel their kind of emotions right now. It's never good to mix emotions with crypto, but right now everybody's kind of in this wait and see approach, and a little bit of volatility is sparking emotion, and people are just either running for the hills, or if we have a good day, they're just buying more than, and they're not confident in it. So that's kind of been the narrative that's kind of resulted in a lot of volatility in the market. So let's get back into it and talk about what exactly is going on, okay? So this is kind of what we look into, kind of what's happening. A rebound is possible if we do see kind of the data within the coin supply on exchanges, okay? That's kind of an indication on whether people are buying or selling a crypto. Now, data from Sentiment is showing that the supply on exchanges have continued to fall in the last few days. There was 147 trillion Pepe, down from over 218 trillion a few months ago. So that indicates that a lot of holders, especially whales, have not moved Pepe coins from their wallets to exchanges. You can see this right there in that graphic from Sentiment. And also, we're going to look into data from Into the Block that's showing the large number of transactions have remained muted in the last few weeks. That number was at 354 on Thursday, down 1,600 from December of last year. This means that a lot of large investors are continuing to hodl and hoping that Pepe will bounce back. Now, that's kind of in line what I'm agreeing with in terms of this. I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto. However, as it results in Pepe, closely linked to Ethereum being an ERC20 token, you have to understand kind of the move for Ethereum that people think is coming in 2025. If Ethereum's able to hit 4,000 or even some of the more bullish price targets such as 10,000, Pepe would be one of the direct benefactors of that move, okay? But also, we want to talk about the MVRV. that's kind of where you look into the valuation of Pepe. And right now, what we're seeing is that is something where Pepe Coin right now is a very cheap price. It is pointing to it being undervalued. The 37 and 365-day MV/RV ratio remaining under pressure despite this pullback, and that is basically indicating that if you do believe in metrics and on-chain technical analysis, the MV/RV is indicating that Pepe Coin is very much undervalued at these price levels. Okay. Also, the TD sequential has officially flashed green. This is something where we've seen this indicator flash red on January 4th, and that's where we saw a 20% crash. Now it has flashed green. So according to that, the TD sequential, you couple that within kind of trusting it in terms of if it's going to flash red and go down 20%. If it flashes green, there's a good chance that it might go up 20% as well. So that is kind of where we're looking to the potential rebound within Pepe as well. And the biggest question is, you can have all this TA, you can talk numbers, charts till you're blue in the face, but what happens is you need the investors, right? If no one's buying it, you could have the greatest data in the world, it won't move a muscle, okay? So that's kind of where we look into it, right? Within the 100-day EMA, there's also something to take in consideration. Pepe has formed a cup and handle, the first part of that pattern, and that is something where if you do form that, it is a popular continuation sign where you look for Pepe or any crypto for that matter to complete the cup and handle formation, and that would be obviously a bullish result as well. And if that does happen, Pepe could retest the all-time high of 402830. That would be up 65% from the current level that we're at right here, right now. Okay. But that's kind of what we have going on. And we look into kind of the opposite argument. If it does form a head and shoulders pattern, that's where the narrative then turns bearish, and then we could even see a further drop below that 100-day EMA. Okay, but I told you guys earlier, and I'll tell you again, Pepe, like I said, if you're a believer in ETH, you're a believer in meme coins, Pepe is one of those cryptos that I think is set up for a bullish run in 2025. The market's kind of weird. It's just weird right now. Nobody really wants to know if they want to be a bull or a bear, and I think that we're kind of in this holding pattern. So we'll see what happens. Maybe Donald Trump getting inaugurated January 20th, that's enough to push us over the edge. But I think right now, kind of some of the data and numbers coming from the more macro side of crypto and trading, such as, you know, the hawkish comments from the Fed with interest rate cutting, as well as kind of what we're seeing within the employment numbers. Just, you know, if the economy is pointing in the negative direction, that's obviously going to have a opposite effect to the crypto market, and we're going to see some continuation of those bearish numbers trickle into the charts, okay? But that's kind of where I'm at. Like I said, guys, I just bought more Pepe last week. I believe in this crypto. I think it's something where if we want to talk meme coins, this has the potential to really have its day in 2025. So with that, I'll leave you, and I'll open up to the comments down below. Feel free to leave me a shout. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe upon exiting this video. Also, be sure to click the link to check out our friends at CoinW if you want to start trading on that platform as well. And we'll see you all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Cheers.